Good morning and welcome to an absolutely empty LEGOLAND Windsor. Really quiet here today. It's a Monday. It's actually April Fool's Day today, and it isn't a joke. The park is empty. Of course, we was here a few weeks ago for the annual pass day, which was our first chance of seeing that theming on the Haunted House Monster Party close up. However, in this video, we're going to see it a little bit closer because in the past couple of days, the walls have actually come down on the main path next to Coast Guard HQ and also Atlantis Submarine Voyage, meaning that we can have a walk right in front of it and see it close up for the first time. Now, of course, this new attraction, the Haunted House Monster Party, is a Vekoma madhouse, very similar to the likes of Hex at Alton Towers. However, it's going to be a lot more happy. It's this party what's going on. Of course, it's not going to be as dark as Hex. But yeah, it opens on the 13th of April, so not long to go now, less than 2 weeks until this new ride opens. So let's go forward and have a little look at what we can see. And that is a lot. So obviously you remember from the update that I filmed in the vlog at the end of last year, and also the one a couple of weeks ago, we had the big fence over here and also one up by Atlantis, so it meant we had to walk all the way round. But yeah, we did actually hear that this wall was coming down, and wasn't quite expecting it whilst we were down south, so I thought we're gonna have to pop in and have a look at this. And it means we can get really nice and close to the Haunted House Monster Party building just here. And look at this. So the first thing that we'll sort of go in order and point out things, I assume this is going to be the exit down here, looking at these gates. And as you can see, the doors are open. There's still work going on at the moment to finish it. So I don't think we're going to see any soft openings or anything whilst we're here today. I think there's still a bit more work to do. That's if they even do a soft opening. And of course, a soft opening means when a ride opens before the official opening day to a select number of people just to test things. But yeah, you can see there's a bit of theming down the exit there with all the buntings. On the right hand side there on the wall, you got some posters as well. Have a little zoom in on those. So yeah, that definitely looks like we're looking at the exit to the attraction down that way. Obviously we've come underneath well, the train track is just there, and the train is going to be opening at some point in 2019. We'll be reopening. Here we are, some of the details that we couldn't see before, what are all in now. Still a bit of work to do, a bit of planting and things to go in, but what do you think to the front? Because I think that looks absolutely awesome. And when you're standing here and you can't see the rest of the building around the sides and the back, it looks absolutely fantastic. Like we said in the vlog, and a lot of you commented saying, you know, they really need to theme the sides of the building, but hopefully when all the trees grow, it won't be as noticeable as it is now. Obviously they've just done some painting and stuff on the sides. But yeah, all the details look really, really good. Everything looks, you know, it's like upscaled Lego, isn't it, with all the walls and everything like what you can buy in the different Lego sets. All the balloons for the party, the cobwebs, the windows that are boarded up. Looks really nice. I'm still concerned about the bunting though. It's going to get weathered, so hopefully they're going to keep replacing that. Of course, there's the doors that will lead in. Maybe is this some sort of, obviously the fast track queue maybe comes down here, does it? There's whatever they call it here, like the quick pass, what they've got, the queue box, that's it. But yeah, as you can see, a bit of wiring still to do. Maybe what's going on there, like a box with a phone in for the member of staff at the door, a light maybe. Can't see anything in terms of speakers at the moment. I assume there will be some audio out here, but the area's finished off quite nice actually. I mean, I said it was very empty. It was when we walked down, but I assume all these have just come in from the hotel. Obviously with this path being open now, they can walk straight to here. But this is finished off really nice actually, because obviously you've got Coast Guard HQ with this barrier all the way around the side and quite a bit of space. I assume, is that an area to park buggies and strollers maybe opposite the entrance to the ride? I assume that's what we're looking at. Obviously more planting to go in, that's all down here. And look at it from the side, even from here to be honest, it doesn't look too bad. I'm just concerned, you know, it's that view when you're down in the queue, seeing the building there at the side, that doesn't look great. But yeah, it looks fantastic around the front, really pleased with it. Some more of the details. Oh, you can see someone on the phone at the back up there, that's quite interesting. Maybe a bit of testing going on. Look forward to seeing the inside. Another one of the grey stones just down there. Some more details over in the queue to look at. There we are, the amazing vampire. Very, very interesting. The queue line itself doesn't look very special. Like we said in the vlog, it's a shame that there's no cover or anything over that. I was hoping for a bit of cover, to be honest. And here's the entrance sign that's now also in place. There we are, Haunted House Monster Party. Yeah, queue-bot entrance to the right and main queue to the left. You got these figures just here made out of the usual size Lego bricks, standard size. Obviously some nice big entrance gates. Yeah, I can't see any speakers anywhere, which is interesting, unless they've just not been installed yet. Here we are, look at these. The many faces of our monsters. All these different posters around the side. And a bit of an overview for it here. Of course, you've got a couple of minifigures out the front there as well, but we'll go a bit closer and have a look at those in just a moment. We'll just have a look at it from a bit further back. Here we are. Is that for a speaker maybe? Or I say another light's going on there. Similar, you see how they've put one of the lights on that one just over there? I'd say that's what we can expect going on to here. But yeah, really interesting just to come in. Oh, there we go. There's a speaker. It's the first one that I've seen just down there. Obviously, Atlantis access is much better now and down to the hotel. We missed that throughout last year. And there's that queue line. It's not a nice queue. Horrible cattle pen, that is. And shame there's not any more speakers. There's literally one speaker there. Can't see any around the top, or I thought maybe on the lamppost there might be some attached by now. But there's still, you know, just under 2 weeks to go until the official opening. And yeah, it looks really nice actually. Certainly looks better now we're getting up close to it. I think because when you're standing here in front of it, you don't notice the building as much. And obviously you've got to think, you know, it is designed for kids. Are they really going to look at the big show building at the back? No, they're not. They're going to look at all these minifigures and little bits down the front. But there we are. You were invited to the party opening the 13th of April. Looks just like what we saw there, doesn't it, as well? Very impressed. Really like this front section. Just have a little look at these minifigures. There's that light, you see what I assume the wiring in up the top. There we are. She looks spooky. That's about as spooky as this is going to get, so don't worry. But yeah, really, really nice. All them details does look fantastic. And of course, we're going to be coming back down here in a few weeks to come and ride it. Of course, we'll be sharing a review and we'll do a full vlog from the park. We're only staying for a little bit today. We're actually nipping back to Thorpe Park just to go and do some more rides. At some point you can see Charlotte actually, she's over there. See her waving? Yeah, she's having to sit down. She's watching these on the boats. I think we might go on with it being quite quiet. Just do a couple of rides before we head off. Well, there you go. That's it for a little update on the Haunted House Monster Party. Like I say, not long to go. Opening the 13th of April here at LEGOLAND Windsor. I'd like to know your thoughts. So comment down below on this video. Are you coming to Legoland this year? Are you coming to ride this new attraction? Or maybe you think, actually, it doesn't look that good, I'm going to go elsewhere. I'd like to know your thoughts on it. But I'm intrigued. We've not had a Vekoma Meadow house open in this country for a long time. Since heck, you know, it's what, 19 years. So I'm really looking forward to seeing it. And of course, stay tuned here on Theme Park Worldwide for our review. We'll get inside there, have a look at it in a few weeks' time. Thank you very much for watching. And that means it's time to cue those credits. See you soon.